Learn Kannada past have. I had equals.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Welcome aboard. Hey, language champ. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Strap in. Today you'll master the past of to have with jokes, rhythms, and quick wins. If your memory is a backpack, by the end it will be stuffed with
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
and friends. Your goal today. By the end, you can say who had what, clearly and confidently. I had.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
You had, singular, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
He had.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
She had.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
It had.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತು.
We had.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆವು.
You had, plural, polite.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಿರಿ.
They had.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Forms and rhythm drill. Echo me and feel the beat, short, sharp, memorable. I had.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
You. You had, sing.
ನೀನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
Nice. He had.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Boom. She had.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Great. It had.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Clean. We had.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆವು.
Team. You had, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಿರಿ.
Squad. They had.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Done. Mini dialogue. The missing key caper. Laugh and learn. Listen for the past, have in action. A. Earlier, I had the key.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
But where is it now? B. Relax. Yesterday, you had it.
ನೀನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
In your side pocket. A. Oh, and he had the spare.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Right? B. Yep, and she had the list.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
A. Good, the box had labels.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತು.
B. Don't worry, last track we had 3 copies.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆವು.
A. And you folks had the tickets.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಿರಿ.
B. The volunteers? They had extra water.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Culture tip. 2 ways to say had. You'll hear 2 useful patterns in Kannada. Dative plus, there was, I had time. To me there was time, equals.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Samaya, natural, common. Verb, to have pond, you had a book, sing.
ನೀನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
Pustaka, slightly more literal, formal. Both are understood, with abstract things, time, idea, dative plus, itu, is super common. With concrete objects, both patterns occur. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll reveal it after a beat. Q1, say, she had, in Kannada. A.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Q2, say, we had. A.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆವು.
Q3, say, they had. A.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Q4, say, you had, plural, polite. A.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಿರಿ.
Q5, translate, I had, fast. A.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Speed challenge. Ready to flex? Say each one in under a second. He had.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
It had.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತು.
You had, sing.
ನೀನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
She had.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
We had.
ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆವು.
You had, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಿರಿ.
They had.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
Wrap up and good vibes. You crushed it, past possession unlocked. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
ನನಗೆ ಇತ್ತು. ನೀನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
And the whole squad of forms until they feel automatic. For more lessons, downloads, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.